my channel Rubix. Today I am bringing you a short tutorial on how to do donut pattern on 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So watch till the end. First, the cube should be solved. Then take a center which you like. I am taking white center. Now keep it front side. Then do. First turn this center and turn the cube. Then again turn this center. Then again turn the cube. Then again turn the center. Then again turn the cube and again turn the center. The donut pattern is ready. To make it back, take a center. I am taking this center. Yes, this center. Now move this to here, the red piece to here, and the white piece to here, and the blue piece to here. Then make it correct. The cube is all back.